Power Platform boosts the financial service sector. Power Platform is a revolutionary, comprehensive set of Microsoft low-code/no-code tools. Enjoy different functionalities within a unified platform. Manage app development, workflow automation, site creation, and data analysis all within a single platform, and thereby streamline processes to improve work efficiency, quality, and productivity. For primary components of Power Platform that work wonders for the financial sector include Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Pages. Power Apps can ease the creation of customized applications for customer onboarding, loan processing, and deposit scheme management. Field service options for managing customer interactions and services can also be suitably targeted. Power Automate helps with workflow automation, compliance checks, transaction processing, and suitable integration, CRM and financial database, along with their management. Power BI can help generate and analyze large datasets. The tool also helps generate intelligent reports, which work significantly well for financial organizations. With Power BI, analyzing large datasets, gaining good customer insight, looking into customer behavior, market trends, and financial performance become very easy. By creating interactive dashboards and reports, real-time decision-making and regulatory compliance streamlining become simplified. Power Pages can help create secure data-drive websites for managing customer self-service like account management and support. It even eases the sharing of essential documents across teams. Improve efficiency, customer service, and customer satisfaction by driving better data-driven decisions for your financial organization. Engage your organization to cater better to the demands and needs of the public.